Hey friends, if the USB port is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. See, here's what we can do. First of all, you will have to right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and install each and every update. If this doesn't help, then search for Device Manager, go to the Device Manager, scroll down, expand the list for Universal Serial Bus Controllers, update the USB root hub drivers. Okay, and also right click and go to properties, power management, and uncheck this box if it's checked. Make sure both of these are unchecked, and you can update all of these drivers. Okay, and if this doesn't help, then you will have to change the USB ports because they must have gone bad. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.